Don't worry. Don't react to the things that you don't prefer, because remember, even if something crops up in your life you don't prefer, it's still there for a reason you can use in a positive way. Make it part of your excitement that things crop up you don't prefer, because it's going to give you an opportunity to see by contrast what it is you do prefer more clearly. That's how to use that in a positive way, instead of simply matching the vibration of what you don't prefer by moping about it. The idea is nothing affects you until you agree to be affected. You are changing your own energy to match the frequencies of things you believe are true. So watch your definitions and create new definitions that work for you, instead of just assuming that the ones that don't work for you are facts that you cannot change. The only facts that exist in your creation are the 5 facts we call the 5 laws. You exist, everything is here and now. The one is all, the all are one. What you put out is what you get back. Everything changes except the laws. Everything else other than those facts are not facts. They are perspectives, they are opinions, they are beliefs. And you can change every single one of those.
You do get a picture in your imagination of who you prefer to be, what you prefer to be doing, where you prefer to be doing it, how you prefer to be doing it. When you see that, all you really have to do is mimic it, mirror it, act it out as best as you can on all levels of your life. All you have to do is be like that person in your mind's eye. Do things the way he or she would do it. And then when you start doing things the way he or she would do it, you will change your vibration to the vibration that is representative of that life. And when you shift your vibration to the representation of that life, you will start to synchronistically have that life. All the things that are representative of what that you would have will come in. So that's how to use your imagination as an actual tool, an actual application tool. The idea being that when you open up to your imagination, you reset yourself, take yourself back to 0. Then you create the picture that is you, that you prefer to be. Then you act like it. You behave like it. And then you have 1, 2, 3, the whole manifestation process right there. 1, 2, 3. Let yourself reset using your imagination. Let yourself create using your imagination. Let yourself act it out using your imagination. And your imagination, thus then used in the 1, 2, 3 way, will allow you to become the majority.
The idea of one of the strongest mantras for humans on earth, one of the strongest tools, is as you wake up in the morning and as you go to sleep at night, to say, perhaps at least 3 times, I am who I am, and that is enough. I am who I am, and that is enough. I am who I am, and that is enough. And then see what synchronicity brings you, with the willingness to let go of all restrictions, all limitations, all assumptions and all insistences that in your unconscious, subconscious, and conscious mind don't actually serve you or don't align with the vibration of your true ethereal spiritual core. Then reality will unfold as it needs to serve you best. Reality will unfold as it needs to serve you best.
Abundance. The ability to do what you need to do when you need to do it. Period. The ability to do what you need to do when you need to do it. Sometimes that might require money, and if money is required, money will be there. If money isn't there, what does that tell you? Money may not be required to give you the ability to do what you need to do when you need to do it. Now, we understand that money is one of the valid symbols of exchange and abundance on your planet, but it isn't the only one. Many times when you have been raised to believe that money is necessary to do certain things, you actually shortchange yourself by closing the doors through which other forms of abundance might actually have brought that ability to you. So it can be that you have a belief that says that certain things cannot be done, that you cannot experience abundance unless it comes in the form of money, when in fact you could be allowing abundance to come to you in many other forms, including money, when and where it's actually the most effortless form of abundance required for a certain thing.
So the way that this law of attraction and manifestation actually works is to recognize that you are already giving off, already radiating a core signature vibration. And that core signature vibration is already doing everything it can possibly do to attract everything that is representative of that particular frequency. If the things that are representative of that particular frequency are not manifesting in your life, it's not because you're not attracting them, it's because your beliefs are keeping them at bay. So it's not that you have to learn to attract them, it's that you have to learn to let go of vibrations that are not compatible with your core frequency, that are keeping those things from getting to you, from manifesting in your reality. And conversely, all the things that are not compatible with your core vibration are doing their best to get as far away from you as they possibly can. The only reason they may not be is because you're holding on to them and not letting them go. So the law of attraction is really not necessarily about having to learn to attract something. The law of attraction is really all about letting go and letting in. That's really all it's about. It's about being yourself, living in the moment, being your true vibration, and then allowing.
Everyone needs other people to help them in achieving their dreams. We all need each other. In the business world, we need each other's market and ideas. In the personal world, we need each other's inspiration and cooperation. The attitude of other people affects each of us, and the attitude of each of us has the capacity to affect all of us. The American Pledge of Allegiance, and its 31 words that we often repeat as an expression of our loyalty, begins with I and concludes with all. That is what America is all about. You and I working together to create greatness. We are uniquely influenced and affected by each other in our pursuit of the American dream. We become a powerful force when each of us understands how powerful all of us are, and when all of us understand how valuable each of us is. What can all of us do? The most incredible things. We can go to the moon and beyond. We can solve the mysteries of disease, diminish famine and suffering, enhance the number and quality of opportunities available for everyone, and create that which does not yet exist, that will improve the conditions of all mankind. We can bring peace where there was once war, and friendship where animosity once prevailed. We can explore the heavens, examine the ocean depths, and investigate the unlimited creativity and capacity of the human mind. Nothing is beyond our imagination, and imagination is the starting point for all progress. The contribution of all of us is so important to each of us.